Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use spearmint oil on your face. First, always dilute spearmint essential oil with a suitable carrier oil, like jojoba or almond oil. Use a ratio of about 1 to 2 drops of spearmint oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. Next, perform a patch test on a small skin area, such as your inner arm, and wait 24 hours to ensure no adverse reactions. Finally, cleanse your face thoroughly to prepare your skin. Once your skin is clean and you've confirmed no sensitivity, it's time to apply. Take your diluted spearmint oil mixture and apply a small amount to your fingertips. Gently massage this mixture onto your face using upward circular motions. Pay special attention to areas where you want to target specific concerns, but avoid the delicate eye area. A little goes a long way, so use sparingly. Spearmint oil is known for its soothing properties, which can help calm the skin and reduce the appearance of redness. For best results, incorporate this into your evening skincare routine, applying it once daily. Remember, consistency is key, but always listen to your skin. If you experience any irritation, redness, or discomfort, stop using the oil immediately and consult a dermatologist if needed. Proper storage ensures the longevity and efficacy of your spearmint oil. Always keep your essential oil in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat, to preserve its potency. Ensure it is stored safely out of reach of children and pets. Always avoid direct contact with your eyes and other sensitive mucous membranes. Enjoy the natural benefits of spearmint oil safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.